This workshop is higher level stuff. This is meant for people who want to go and do this. It's one thing to come to a class and me just show you a bunch of slides on how this stuff works, but it's another thing to actually see it and see the production. And I find that's where the most value is.
I'm Dylan and I'm from close by in Phoenix.
My name is Kip Machuca and I'm coming from Houston, Texas.
I'm Rigby Core, I'm from Pocatello, Idaho.
My name is Sonia Gasper, I come from Wisconsin.
I'm Brandon Toms and I live in Vail, Colorado.
My name is Ross Arsucci and I'm from Vermont.
I'm Bruce Laird from Marina, Arizona.
I read the book, I watched the videos. It's a genuine passion for what he's doing that I think seeing that in person just makes me want to do it good even better.
It was cool starting with a lot of the basics and really knowing that I'm about to spend however much money to come to this training and I know it's with somebody legit.
The books and the online stuff, it's more general information, where this is really specific and it's very advanced, and there's also a lot of one-on-one time.
There's just a wealth of knowledge that's shared here in person that you're not going to get online.
Yeah, it's like one thing to see the BCX in action on the video, but then to actually run it down a field.
We really got in, we got our hands wet, we got our fingers dirty, and that was fun. That you can't learn that watching YouTube.
I would say it doesn't matter if you've been doing it or if you haven't been doing it, you should attend one of these workshops. It is totally, the value is exactly what you're going to put into it is what you're going to get out of it. And for most of us that are here, when we find something like this, it's because we're passionate about it. And like Curtis says, you know, you have skin in the game.
I'm not making it up. I feel like the first day was worth the money invested into the workshop. Everything else has just been like gravy and cherries on top.